Most people think they enter the market to make money.
No, most people enter the market the day someone else is leaving richer.
So, they're late?
Usually, by the time opportunity feels obvious, it already belongs to someone else.
Then, who gets in first?
People with capital, people with patience, people with information, people with position.
Explain position.
You were taught to earn money. They were taught to own what you spend it on.
That line will hurt people.
Truth usually does.
So how does money really work?
In layers. Workers earn wages. Managers earn bonuses. Investors earn growth. Owners earn profits. Controllers earn from all four.
Controllers?
Funds that own pieces of banks, tech, healthcare, energy. When the system expands, they win everywhere.
That's why the rich stay ahead?
Because they don't chase paychecks. They buy engines,
Engines?
cash flow, businesses, equity, assets that pay while they sleep.
And stocks?
Retail buys symbols. Serious money buys companies.
Difference?
Retail asks, will price go up? Capital asks, will this dominate for 10 years?
What about private equity?
They buy, fix, grow, and sell companies quietly.
And hedge funds?
They play probabilities. They place big bets when odds are in their favor.
So why do most people lose?
Because emotion is expensive. They buy greed. They sell fear.
Harsh.
Reality rarely whispers.
What do powerful people study?
Incentives. Who benefits? Who controls supply?
So charts don't matter.
Charts show behavior. Structure creates wealth.
Biggest lie in finance?
Hard work creates income. Ownership creates freedom.
That line will divide people.
Truth always does.
What should people do?
Become valuable. Buy assets. Think long-term.
Sounds boring.
Wealth usually is.
Why do many stay broke?
They rent status instead of owning progress. Car payments, designer debt, lifestyle upgrades.
Biggest advantage?
Time. Compounding rewards. Patience. Ownership. Cash flow. Control. Technology changes tools. Human behavior stays expensive. Hope. Influence. Income streams. Time. Don't ask where money is going. Ask who gets paid first.
Subscribe. Or keep watching from the outside.
While other people build the systems that decides your price.
Because the gap isn't intelligence.
It's position.
And most people?
Never even realize they were playing a game where the rules were written by people they never see.
So subscribe. Or stay where you are.
Working inside a system that was never designed for you to win.
Subscribe to Money Cartel. Not because I asked, because it finally made sense.